Hello, good morning. Hope everything is good with you. Um, and stay safe during this virus outbreak. I had a lightweight tar, I think 3 by 3. So I cut it to make a new type of, I can say, a good, nice one-man tent. It's not a tent, but it's a good shelter actually. So during the time when I'm installing it here, I'll show you in the screen sizing, where you have to cut, what you have to do. And again, our friend is coming here making noise. I don't know why. I think he doesn't like us, and he attacked us at least 5 times when we had our breakfast here. We didn't do anything wrong with him. I guess his house or his nest is somewhere around here, so he's protecting his kids or his eggs. Anyway, that's in nature fun. Okay, so see you later. There is something strange happened actually. I don't know where I put my pegs. They're not in my bag, and I remember in home I took them here. So just to continue, I have to make some pegs by piece of wood and my mora. Okay, this is the tarp after you cut. It just looked like this. It's not too high, but you can adjust it a little bit better than me. But it's pretty well and fitting good inside. So you can put your bag and you can sleep well there. And then after you are in, you can close it down. You can close it down to make it more privacy actually for yourself. So from distance, if you look at this, it's well blended with nature. The green color, the grass and trees. So it's well blended actually. And it has enough space for someone at least 180, 185 to sleep inside. This is good for one person. Okay, the things I did after I cut, I used duct tape and also the grommet, so to secure the hole. Then I found the center line, so either you just put the rod. If you need to have an extra height, definitely your volume will be less coming down from this side and this side. This is, I think, is good for a super ultralight lightweight tarp tent, and you can just do it with anything you want. You can see, I think it's less weight, is less than even 700-800 grams, the total things. So the thing I did, I just make a guy line here and connect it to here. That's it. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, I will be grateful to hear it from you. Take care. See you later.